Congratulations, you have completed the Pro Trader Becoming a Trader Discovery Series. What we went through in the past 4 lessons were exactly what is a trade, how does it actually look, picked apart what candlesticks represent, what all that data is on the screen. In the second lesson, we went through and broke down a trade. How does that actually look? What are the elements of a trade? On the third lesson, we went and actually placed the trade together. We showed how to set up your trading view, how to what a broker is, how to set up a brokerage, and then fourth and finally, the previous lesson, we just covered exactly how to scale from a small $2,000 perhaps savings that you have in your bank account all the way up to generating a full-time income from trading, leveraging prop firms. Right? That was the same information that I would teach to somebody who only had 3 or 4 hours and they came to me, they said, Luke, I'll give you $100,000 for 3 hours of your time if you can just go and teach me what I need to know to trade. I have distilled down as much as I possibly can. However, there is only so much you can learn in 3 or 4 hours in a discovery series such as this. So this is where we're going to go through and I'll show you the next steps. If trading is something that you've committed to and you really like the sound of those 5 principles of no boss, no job, no customers, scalable to virtually infinity and location independent, if that rings true for you and those are the criteria for your your future career, as they were for me, then stick around and we're going to go through exactly what the next steps are here with joining Pro Trader. So everything that you've learned so far is a diluted down or a leaned down version of what you are going to learn in the Pro Trader curriculum. So if you've liked the learning style so far, it's all video content, it's all FaceTime, just like this in front of the camera. We've got the community element. We're going to dive into all of that, exactly what it is that you're getting with Pro Trader and why Pro Trader is such a fantastic choice to go to for investing into your education compared to our other competitors out there, or other education providers. So let's jump in. So far, we've gone through the candlestick patterns that we've got here, right? What you're going to learn in the early stages of your Pro Trader curriculum is 2 things. We're going to learn how to read this price action as we've already done, but you're actually going to learn these 2 strategies, I should say, is the Forex trends, how to execute on them perfectly as we have done in the past, and then the reversals, right? So power trends, Forex trends, power trends, and Forex reversals. So we're going to incorporate a new strategy here. Now, we're going to apply those 6 core principles and to be able to trade effectively, as we've seen here. It's very similar to what we covered in the first lesson there. But to be basically trading is to be able to read that price action and to capture small market movements and bank profit. So this is just another example of what we've already covered as well. So here we go. We can see here strike rate 75%. Both these strategies are fantastic. Good reward risk, profit with 10K account over the course of 3 months, only 4 trades placed with only 1 strategy. You would have made $1,000 here. 10%, which is 9.76 if we considered scaling, right? If 5%. So we don't need to go too deep into this again. So this is what you're going to learn. This is initially learn how to swing trade those 2 strategies, which is very low time commitment. This is where we're going to go all the way back and begin here. Now, all of the training content is video, as I've just mentioned here. This is a little bit of a walkthrough how the dashboard looks. So you've got the lessons down the left here, and then you've got the video here in the center. So what else is to come? You're going to learn more about different indicators, where and how we can use them. We're going to learn about different currency pairs, how they respond differently in the market. We're going to have different resources. So the swing trading checklist you can download. We've got the day trading checklist. We've got the institutional strategies checklist. There's all sorts of assets that they're going to share. This at the time of taking this screenshot is a little bit leaner. We've built that out quite extensively since then. We have a weekly market forecast. So that means once per week on a Monday, I create another video which gets sent out to the Slack community, which you'll be a part of, and that has exactly what is it, where my sights are for that week, what is it that I'm looking at, what trades am I going to be looking at taking, and then the weekly round table. So once per week we have a live call for 1 hour. And that's just, we've got various topics that we cover. There's now 4 different variations of that. One of them is chart intensive, another is community based, another is trading theory. There's a whole bunch of things in there. So there's ongoing group coaching sessions each and every week as well, included in your membership. This is all included in your membership, guys. You can go ahead with everything's done by Calendly, so you can book in for the calls here. And here's just a couple of reviews. We're going to have some little video testimonials at the end as well from happy traders who have managed to successfully pull profits from the markets. So here we go. This is Valerie. If you want to pause the video here and have a quick read over this, you can see Valerie's really been enjoying leveraging my expertise. Like, trading is one of those things you could maybe go out into the markets and figure it out yourself, but how long is it going to take and how much is it going to cost you? What's the opportunity cost of investing 10 years to learn something that you could learn in 1 year by subscribing to ProTrader? You know, and then we've got Mr. Dan Holloway over here who says he doubled his results just after 2 calls with myself, right? That's a pretty bold statement to make. And as he says here, if you want to succeed in the world of trading, ProTrader is an essential tool in your toolbox. Thanks very much for that, Dan. Moving on. So comparing it to other options, there are other options out there for trading education, of course. Training curriculum. You know, if you were just to buy a PDF style training course curriculum with no hands-on support, no live coach, none of these calls, right? Often you can pay anywhere between $400 to $2,000, and often it's not updated. It's something that somebody uploaded to Udemy 5 years ago, right? Now that does range. If you want with support, hands-on support, there's Learn to Trade. I think they've actually put their price up since here, but that can be $35,000 that you could be looking at paying up front. 35 grand. That's probably the most similar trading education company out there. That they're full comprehensive. They do the support, they do the calls, they do the curriculum, all of that stuff. So 35 grand is kind of the ballpark that we're looking in over here. Now for trade alerts, so trade ideas, I didn't mention it before, but in the Slack channel we have trade ideas where we post setups and things in there, so you can actually have a look at them and see if they fit your trading criteria, and you can jump into them as well for $297 a month. That's sometimes how much you pay just for trade alerts, like a signal service. Now, weekly market reviews, so that was what we were covering before. Just that alone, I know folks that are paying over $97 a month. I know when I first started, I joined, so that was $97 a month. Direct support to a trading coach. So again, you can have direct support to me within the Slack community, right? You can just message me directly if you need assistance with anything. I'm happy to provide that. Now, obviously, within reason, I can't provide actual hands-on coaching. That is an extra product. I have private coaching clients, but just if you need some message, that's you could be paying up to $2,000 a month minimum from other coaches. So you get all of this. If you were to not counting the $34,000, you're looking at about $2,300, $2,400 a month. That's what you'd be looking at here. Sound fair? Sound reasonable? Moving on, so ProTrader, we've got a special offer here for you today, which is a first responders bonus. So for the first 10 people that sign up to this, we're actually going to do something called a Kickstart Your Trading, where that is like a private coaching session. You get 1 session per month for the first 3 months of being active. It's 3 months free access with one of our in-house coaches. It's usually $249 a month. We're going to give that to you for free for the first 10 subscribers. Now, this is the code that you need to use to get your early access coupon code, right? So we've got this coupon code. It's called Going Pro. By using this and by watching this workshop series, my thanks to you, my way of saying thank you is for the first month of your subscription, you only pay $1 for the entire first month, right? And then after that, it's $200 off for all future ProTrader purchases. That's future coaching. That's for the institutional grade stuff as you work your way up. So $1 for your first month, $200 off future ProTrader purchases. So to enroll, ProTraderX.com. How much is the actual price? So it's probably, I guess, what you're wondering. So jump over to ProTraderX.com and you'll see that this is the summary of what it is that you're getting, right? So we kind of just touched on that, but you get your ProTrader curriculum access to beginner trading strategies, trade ideas, that private Slack space, weekly roundtable, a weekly market forecast. Now, on top of that, you also get a monthly community call with our 2 community leaders. You get access to the ProTrader recording archive. So a lot of the videos or the recordings that we've done leading up to now, you get access to them as well, complimentary. There is now a 24/7 live meeting room. So that's like the trading floor. You can go join that. It's a Zoom room that's just open 24 hours a day. So you can jump in there and chat to other traders who are part of the ProTrader community. The reason I created that, I wanted to feel as realistic working on a trading floor as possible, right? To have other accountability partners, to run trade ideas past other traders out there, and so on, right? And then you get special event invitations when we have them, such as we're talking about a ski trip to Japan in the future. Maybe at the time you're watching this, maybe we've already done it, but yeah, so we're going to have different special events out there. So with all of that value plus these additional bonuses, we valued it up over $4,000 compared to our partners or other similars that charge $35,000. We've distilled all of that down to one easy monthly membership of $99 a month. Pretty good, right? That's it. So if you were to consider what we're talking about before, $2,000, turn $2,000 into a $4,000 monthly income, enroll with ProTrader for 12 months. It'll be what, $1,200? $500 goes towards a prop firm challenge, which you will, if you pass, you get refunded. If you fail, well, you're still under that $2,000 price point. And then you'll be able to achieve that 100K account once you get funded, and then you'll be able to be pulling that $4,000 a month from the market, provided you do all the things and you learn and you study the curriculum of that ProTrader has to offer. Now, of course, there is no guarantees in trading. Of course, there is no guarantees in anything. 90% of businesses go out of business in the first 10 years of launching, right? Trading is no different, but it just comes down to how much effort and determination you have to make it a success. So once you click here, go join now. You can scroll through, check out the rest of our website here. And when you're ready, hit join now. This will take you over to the cart page. You guys know how a cart page works, pretty straightforward. Add your coupon code in here, which for you guys, it is Going Pro. Once you put Going Pro in, you'll have a 7-day free trial. That's the standard offer for all new members. But because you've got the special offer here, that's $99 a month for the first payment, which will be after 7 days. So 7 days, absolutely free, nothing whatsoever. After 7 days, you will pay $1 and that'll access another month. So really you're getting 5 weeks for the price of $1, right? And then after that, you roll on to the typical $99 a month price point. So that's the offer. It's a phenomenal offer. If you're still unsure, obviously jump in, try it out for 5 weeks for $1. It's not going to make or break your bank account, I'm sure. And yeah, that's what we've got here. So I hope you found this valuable. This is, of course, what the offer was I presented right at the very beginning. Regardless, I appreciate you sticking around and going through this workshop series together with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the markets. Cheers. Bye for now.